What is the one word for make extremely angry? The correct answer is infuriate. What is the one word for be a mystery or bewildering to? The correct answer is dumbfound. What is the one word for be involved in? The correct answer is participate. What is the one word for inviting ridicule? The correct answer is preposterous. What is the one word for deeply religious? The correct answer is devout. What is the one word for call forth as an emotion, feeling, or response? The correct answer is pique. What is the one word for watch and direct? The correct answer is supervise. What is the one word for an odd or fanciful or capricious idea? The correct answer is whim. What is the one word for free from undue bias or preconceived opinions? The correct answer is impartial. What is the one word for deficient in alertness or activity? The correct answer is lethargic. What is the one word for a prejudiced person who is intolerant of differing opinions? The correct answer is bigot. What is the one word for sudden shock or dismay that causes confusion? The correct answer is consternation. What is the one word for one of the individual parts making up a larger entity? The correct answer is component. What is the one word for ask for or request earnestly? The correct answer is beseech. What is the one word for the limit beyond which something happens or changes? The correct answer is verge. What is the one word for judge tentatively? The correct answer is estimate. What is the one word for the condition of being essential or indispensable? The correct answer is necessity. What is the one word for overcome as with emotions or perceptual stimuli? The correct answer is overwhelm. What is the one word for the property of being close together? The correct answer is proximity. What is the one word for without rigor or strictness? The correct answer is lax.